Hey everyone, welcome to Spaghetti Tumbleweed. Today I have a cute but deadly Series 2 blind box figure by Blizzard Entertainment. This is a really cool stylized box. See the outline of different characters on the sides here. And then we have a list on the back. There's a 1 in 12 chance of getting any of these. This is mostly featuring Overwatch characters and Diablo. Now, since McCree isn't on here, I'm really pulling for one of the treasure goblins, especially this awesome rainbow goblin. There's a 1 in 12 chance of pulling any of these. So we'll just take a look and we'll see what we have inside. It's got a really nice bag on the inside. It's got the cute but deadly logo and the Blizzard Entertainment logo printed all over it here. And that's a pretty large bag for a somewhat small figure. Alright, let's see. Maybe. And I did not bring my scissors. There we go, there's a pull tab, I just didn't see it. Okay. There we go, we got Bastion. And he is from Overwatch. It's got a little stand here. Really good detail. Nice paint work. Very heavy, it's a hefty figure. Very sturdy. There he is. We can compare it to the little image back here. Now I still would really like to pull one of the goblins, especially the rainbow goblin, so I'll probably do some more of these. Like and subscribe and tell your friends. I will have much more gaming and anime stuff on the way.